Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to share my experience of first-time owner for the Tesla and what you guys can do to learn from me or don't make the same mistake as me. So I bought this car in 2022 December, and I did quite a bit of stuff to it, and I really wish I didn't. All right, so let's start off with number one. So as you see, I just gave it a good car wash and I just did a little polish right there. But when I first got the car, I chose the color red. So I paid $2,000 extra. So now when I do a trade-in value just to check it out, Tesla don't even care about the car red color, you know? So if you're into savings, you'd rather save that $2,000. And what I did when I first got it as well, I got a front end PPF. It cost me about $1,500. So there you go. That's a lot of money putting out into something that I might not get back in value. Actually, I'm losing values. But what you should get is, I don't know if you can see, but those leather, the Inland Empire leather seats, which is great, okay? But you should get the mud flaps, all right? And spoiler, it's just for looks. And I got the hubcaps. This was not that expensive to give you the look. But and what you should do is you should get gap insurance. So what is gap insurance? So gap insurance is let's say, for example, right now, if I owe like $50,000 on my car, right, and the new one is only like about $40,000. So the insurance will pay out only $40,000 for the new car, and whatever the difference, gap insurance will cover it because I'm still financing. So again, right now the APR is really high. If you're gonna get like a Tesla or you're gonna be financing, try to see if there's any local credit union that can give you a better rate than the average right now. I think 6.5 all the way to up to 7, depending on your credits as well too. But owning a Tesla after 1 year or maybe a year and 3-4 months, I didn't drive much on this Tesla, only about 10,000 miles. And like in the previous video I stated, all I did was the tires rotations, and probably added like a little bit of windshield wiper fluids. But other than that, you know, I'm charging a level 2 at home and just using my solar, and so it's pretty much free. And I also have like about I got 10,000 miles of supercharging, and I think I got about 7-8 months left on it too as well. But yeah, so if you're owning an EVs, there's not much maintenance. Just drive it, and then the brakes and everything it's good. But you can see there it's really shiny. Okay, going back to how I talked about the PPF mentioned before, the paint protection film, because before I was just thinking, wow, I'm gonna keep this car for like 7-8 years, so I want to do a lot of protection to it, you know what I mean? So but if you hit like a big piece of rock, it will chip right through the PPF like just nothing. So the PPF is only for something like tiny stuff. But yeah, that's the one thing that hit major right there. But other than that, the rest looks good. And again, now Tesla even offers like the full wrap, the PPF. You're looking anywhere from $5,000 to $8,000. So I think those kind of investment that you're never going to see it back. So if you're going to ask me as a first-time Tesla owner, I would pick something from the Tesla inventory, because usually they have like all the $4,000 all the way up to $6,000-$7,000 off. And depending on the vehicle that you're looking, some might even be qualifying for the 3,500 tax credit. So you're going to be looking at a really, really sweet deal. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding about owning a Tesla, buying a Tesla, feel free to leave a comment below. Other than that, take care. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.